Hi guys, welcome back to my channel The Fashion Seed. This is me Rakhi. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can turn your white t-shirt from drab to fab by just putting some little tips and tricks. Guys, white t-shirt is a must have in everybody's wardrobe because white t-shirt comes really handy when you don't have anything to put on. You can easily dress it up or dress it down. So without further ado, let's get started. So the number one tip is find the best fit for yourself, whether you like to put on a loose fitting white t-shirt or a well fitted t-shirt. I personally like to put on a well fitted t-shirt to look more put together and sleek. Tip number 2 is put on nude undergarments. We usually happen to think कि हमने white t-shirt पहना है तो हमें white undergarments पहनने चाहिए. Guys, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी मत कीजिए cause जो white t-shirt के अंदर आप white bra पहनेंगे तो वो एकदम से stark and show करेगी. So make sure you put on nude undergarments under white t-shirt.
Tip number 3, tuck in your t-shirt. Tucking in your t-shirt will not only make you look put together but will also elongate your legs. तो अगर आपकी height मेरे से छोटी है तो make sure you tuck in your t-shirt. That will make you look really good. And not just only tucking in the t-shirt, you can always tie a knot in the front. इससे आपकी कमर जो है वो बहुत पतली लगेगी और आप बहुत ही put together लगोगे. Tip number 5, add a statement belt. Adding a statement belt will make you look like $1 million. अगर आपको आपके सिंपल टी शर्ट आउटफिट को डे टाइम लुक से नाइट टाइम आउटफिट में चेंज करना है, then just replace your footwear from sneakers to sandals like heels like I'm doing it right here, and also add a fanny bag. एड अ जैकेट. ज़रूरी नहीं कि अपनी जैकेट को पहने, आप सिंपली अपने शोल्डर्स पर भी रख सकते हैं. यू कैन ऑलवेज एड अ डेनिम जैकेट, और अगर आपके एरिया में ठंड है तो यू कैन ऑल्सो एड अ लेदर जैकेट. Tip number 8, accessorize well. You can always layer up your chokers, your chains, lots of golden necklaces, rings, and also a statement watch. Add a scarf. Adding a scarf will not only make you look good but will also make your hair look sleek. Tip number 10, add quirky sunglasses. This might not save your eyes from harsh sun rays but will definitely enhance your overall look.
But not the least, wear your confidence with your white t-shirt because nothing can make you look good without your confidence. So make sure you put on lots and lots of confidence. So this sums up my today's video. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please like this video and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends. Till my next one. Bye bye. Take care. Love you all.